How to fix Snapchat can't log in due to network error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Or also what you can do is open your settings. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update your Snapchat to its latest version. Likewise, another thing you can do is open your settings, scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. Likewise, head back. Now you can give a fresh restart to your device. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat can't log in due to network error. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.